What's up guys? For today's video we're going to do another monthly knife club, and I subscribed to the more expensive one, $165, and I think the amount should be around $330. So we'll go to Amazon and eBay and we're going to scan everything as we go to see if it's actually going to be a good deal, because sometimes they like market price maybe is expensive, but certain things do go on sale. So will we get a good amount of money? Ooh, right away, best tech knife, CRT, beautiful. There's a monthly club, welcome, little thing, and it tells us all the value of things. We can look over it after. We got a big sticker, monthly knife club, cool. Ooh, Kirby. Wow, 2 Kirbys. That's insane. What? There's a lot of good stuff. So without further ado, let's open this stuff up and see what we got. Also, I'll type it in all into the calculator. So right away, this one is probably on Amazon. Let's see if it's on eBay. Okay. Whoa, $12 all day. What about Amazon? Sometimes go on sale, more so than eBay. So let's scan, $12 plus 99. So we're going to add on $13 plus. Okay, good start, good start. Fire Striker, Magnesium UST, very big brand. I reviewed it many times. This one's probably check them on Amazon super quick. Let's see what we get right here. $10. I think eBay probably be more expensive for this case. So cheaper items usually eBay can do it more expensive, yeah. But $10 plus shipping, $8. So we're going to plus $9. Okay. So we are $22, and let's get into some good stuff. Kirby Knife. This is the model number. Okay, there's type Ultem. What? It's a really nice see-through like plastic. Wow, no way. It's sealed, brand new. But to me, knife is brand new unless the blade has been used or it shows wear and tear. It's easy to replicate. Wow, this is so awesome. Look at that. Ultem is actually expensive, and there is blade materials, a little number right there. Let's see if I can kind of get enough reflection and focus on it. There's a Manganas. So designer, I guess. I thought it's gonna say Magna Cut. I don't think so. Ooh, it's smooth. Flipper. There you go. It's still brand new. And also certain flipper have to flick it harder, and there's a finger seat for the closer precision cutting. I love that there's a much bigger what do you call it? Ooh, can I open it this way? Yeah, much bigger handle than a blade. Kind of unique. That is so cool. I don't know if it's going to be on eBay. Maybe. Let's see. I heard about this brand. It's pretty nice. Let's see, Ultem too, even better. Probably be on eBay. So $64, and let's go to sold. Sometimes people sell them super cheap, but we'll give them 64 plus 64. 86 now. I mean, it's believable. This is a nice knife. Did they put 2 Ultems there by mistake? No, this is the model number. There's no name for it. D2 blade, pretty nice, affordable D2 blade, and G10 handle, like, as good as it gets. Everyday carry. I would assume this is like a $50 knife as well, maybe a little bit cheaper. Depends. D2 is much more affordable blade steel. Okay. Kirby, G10 handle, black on black. Ooh, snappy. Love it. Very small, so it's like for everyday carry. There's a linear hole. Ooh, nice tight clip, and liner lock. This is what this is called. very easy to flick it. Let's see, it is much tighter. Whoa, it has a nice pull on this. Look at that. Let's see. Boom, it's like locks in. That's why it's so easy to flick it, because it's tight. That's another really nice knife. Let's scan it real quick. Don't think it's gonna be on Amazon. Let's try it for fun. I don't think this kind of knife is on Amazon. Oh no way, $40 for a black one, and it's usually $44, $48 over here. Wow, we got the cheaper one. So, but what about eBay real quick? $48. So we'll give it to $40 because Amazon plus $40 is a bit cheaper. So we had $126. Let's double check this one on Amazon. This one doesn't exist on Amazon yet. So we had $120 something. This is gonna be the biggest money, which is nice. And there's the empty box. We'll use that. Look at that. What is this? Some kind of scarf. Okay. Skull. Shamag tactical desert scarf. I love it. It's like pirates. Super cool. This is like what, 10 bucks? Let's see how much those things sell for. Oh wow, $15 all day. One of those tactical scarves. Don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, okay, this one's same thing, $15. Okay, plus 15 equals 140. Okay, to get to a 330 promised value, this knife needs to be almost $180, which is possible. It's a really nice brand, very well known. I reviewed that brand many times. So there's a model number. Okay, let's see. There goes nothing. Ooh, big pouch. Wow. Okay, it's comes with sticker, little towel. Simply the best. Okay, nice. I cannot wait to scan it and test it out. See how much it's cost. Carbon fiber, very lightweight. Titanium, anodized titanium handle. I could just tell by the way it looks. Anodized titanium washer right here. Maybe a screw. Screw look like a steel. Wow, that is a nice knife. Beautiful. Okay, what is it says? 154 CPM. Yes, this is definitely easily $180 knife. There's the name of it, of a designer, I think. This is usually designer stamp and a logo. Beautiful. Comes with a towelette to clean any imperfection. There's a microfiber glass. Wow, super lightweight, high quality materials. Looks like titanium anodized, and if I would guess, the insert right here will be titanium liner lock. Smooth, super easy to open, perfect balanced knife. I love it. Look at that. That's exactly where I would hold it. It is incredibly lightweight. Wow, I love this subscription box. Okay, so the only way for me to really scan this is just search it in maybe Google. Okay, let's see. So what I would do is type in best stack knives and then model number. Oh, look at that. This knife is also on Amazon. Oh, $160. This one is cheaper, but I think it's just different materials. Wow, sometimes it goes on sale. No, this is just different materials. So we got the most expensive out of all of them. So sometimes, yeah, this one is not anodized. This one anodized titanium most likely. Yeah, nice. Okay, how about if we go to not Amazon, like Knife Center, 160. So wow, Amazon is $30 cheaper than Knife Center. which is a really reputable company. Okay, so there's a to card 160, and it is $28 discount, so it's used to be 190. Okay, let's see if we can do like one more. Blade HQ, really reputable. I like Blade HQ. 160. Wow, Amazon undercut them. No, it's 160 as well. Beautiful. So let's see, plus 160 equals $301. Well, we went under $30. They promised us 330 volume. Unfortunately, they didn't make it by $30, but I only paid $160, so I'm still really happy about that box. Paying $160 for it, getting $301 back in value. Amazing. So the advanced plan, okay, this is just, oh wow, yeah, 345 ish. They say ish. 342 value. The standard, I think, yeah, this is the best. This is all the plans, and I think we got like the best plan that they offer, and it's definitely worth it. The ultimate plan. I love it. So that's it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? I got 3 awesome knives. Super happy about that. Keep some, I can sell some, and it will be easy to trade and sell because we got a great value. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.